Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science Channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time. I am Asif Umer and our today's activity is making ethanol rocket. In this activity, we are going to learn about combustion and an exothermic reaction. For this, required things are 1.5 liter empty plastic bottle, 95% ethanol, matchbox, tongue, lighter, safety goggles, and for safety, fire extinguisher. I am going to pour a very small amount of ethanol in a 1.5 liter plastic bottle. Shake the bottle for 15 to 20 seconds. So now, if I light this here, now I am going to pour approximate 30 ml of ethanol in a 5 liter gallon. Shake the bottle for approximate 30 seconds. After shaking, ethanol will evaporate and turn into vapors. Going to draw the mass in a flammable mixture. Don't try this activity at home. The reaction is an exothermic reaction generating heat, light and sound.